Nusra Jabri, and I am working in NTTW URJC Jadchala Girls as an English lecturer. So today's topic is conversation. What is conversation? Conversation is nothing but a communication between the two people or more than two people. What they discuss, what they talk. This is called a conversation. So conversation is nothing but a communication between two people or more than two people. Here today I am going to show you a small demo. What is conversation with my son Rehan. So please enjoy.
Hi mom.
Hello beta, how are you?
Fine mom.
Sanitize your hands. You don't have to throw your mask like that, ma. Take it and keep it in your pocket. Because in this period, in this corona period, you have to wear mask in front of everyone. Okay?
Mom.
Even in front of me too.
Okay mom.
From where are you coming, ma?
I'm coming from my friend's home mom.
Why? Why you went there?
To get my notes.
Which notes?
Chemistry.
You went to get the chemistry notebook.
Yes.
Why you are not taking the notes from your online classes?
I went to take my notebook mom.
Yours notebook. Did you finish your chemistry notes?
Yes.
Okay, today online classes is there?
Yes.
Which subjects?
Physics, maths, chemistry.
3 subjects. MPC, physics, maths and chemistry. Okay. Which is your favorite subject?
Biology.
Did you able to understand the physics?
Yes.
How many marks you got in physics in last OT?
15 by 15.
15 out of 15. Very good. Very good, beta. You have to do your studies like this only. Okay? Because in next year you are going to 10th class.
Yes.
And you have to face the board exam.
Okay mom.
So study well, do well, mom.
Okay mom.
Okay? Don't neglect your studies. And don't go out without wearing your mask. And without your sanitizing bottle. You have to take a sanitizing bottle with you.
Yes mom.
Okay? Go and attend your next class. Which is your next class now?
Chemistry.
Again chemistry.
Yes.
Why? 2 times?
Because tomorrow is chemistry OT.
OT is there.
Yes.
Okay, beta, go and attend your online classes and listen it carefully what they are saying. Make a running notes. Okay, ma? Go. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, class. Up to now, you saw the demo which I gave you. A conversation between a mother and a son. Now, on the page number 37, there is a small conversation between a father and a son. Okay, so see here what the father say to son and how he is replying to his father. Father, look son, see what I have brought for your birthday. Son, what's that? Father, an interesting book. What the father said? An interesting book. Son, what is about? Father, it is about scientists' struggle on invent something. Son, who is that scientist? Father, the one about whom I told you yesterday. The one about whom I told you yesterday. Son, is it Stephen Hawking? Father, yes. Son, I love to read about him, especially the way he does experiment sitting in a specially made chair. Father, yes, he is an example of a man who has raised against all odds. Read the book. Son, thank you, Dad, for bringing an inspiring book. So, here is a small conversation between a father and a son. So, like this, you have to make a notes about conversation. This is for 4 marks, beta. This is for 4 marks. Okay. I hope you understand the conversation between the two peoples. One, I gave the demo with my son, and here is the second one, which is in your textbook, page number 37. I hope you do well, study well, and make a notes, ma. Bye.